Hello there and welcome back to Candy Business Hub. Alright, so the past few days or about a week now, we've been having discussions and talking about the platform MoneyEasily. Now I've been having to do a follow-up on how I've been able to sign up, complete their task, video management, and so on and so forth, and we're at the part of withdrawal. So yeah, talking about withdrawal, we came across where how to place withdrawal and then how to also qualify for 4 basic steps. I think 4 basic checkpoints basically before I get paid. Now I did this over the weekend. That was basically on a Friday through the weekend, and today obviously is on a Wednesday, and I don't know, well, this video might be going live probably on the Thursday or so, but yeah, basically on the Wednesday, and I haven't gotten an actual result from the platform, which means I've been able to basically get 3 ticks, but then the 4th one has been taking more than 38 hours now. 24 hours, but basically 38 hours, and then I haven't been able to get the 4th tick, which I'm still hoping is going to come through. But well, no big deal, but yeah, we're still looking at it and obviously hoping to see a new development from that. Now with that in place, I don't know why this part has been difficult for it to approve, but so far when each step is approved, I do get a notification or probably being told on what's next stage they have for me, and as you can see on your screen. So yeah, for the last part, they're telling me that my payment has been approved, or the payment date has been approved. I don't know the dates they're going to give me, but they already fixed the date, so they're telling me. And then with that date in mind, the last part hasn't been done, but I feel if the last part is ticked, then the withdrawal should go through. But we do not expect any withdrawal from this platform. I don't think you should be expecting anyone though, but with that in mind, I'm still going to give you guys updates. A lot of people are considered as scammers, and I'll advise you, I think it's best to live with that ideology. But for those that are still expectant like me, then we could also enjoy the ride and have fun at it while at it. But I don't think you should be expecting any big major deal from this. And I have also qualified for a second withdrawal, which means I have been able to cross the $200 threshold for withdrawal twice now. I'm not going to place the second withdrawal until the first one basically becomes conclusive, because there's a tendency if I place for the second withdrawal, then they might tell me, okay, I cannot get it until maybe they will have to refresh the whole thing. I don't know, just not to avoid any complications. Or I'll let the first withdrawal go through, that if it goes through, then I'll place for the second withdrawal and keep you guys updated.
2 days later.
Okay, so it's been 2 days from the point I made the first part of this video. So if you've been following me, then you should understand that by now we have been caught in a hoax. So far so good. The platform has a way of convincing us that it is somehow going to come out positive. Some certain kind of criteria or steps or hoops you have to jump at each point, thereby giving you hopes that, okay, if I have to do this or if I have to wait for the verification, then I would obviously get withdrawals. But I think from the first part of the whole system that we've been talking about from the first video, definitely I already gave you guys the conclusive answers. So far, the MoneyEasily platform has not found a way to give us our money easily, and rather they found a way to make it a whole different kind of thing. We have not been able to withdraw, but our money has been increasing so far so good due to the fact of referrals and people still trying to sign up and buying into the whole figure or something. I don't know if they don't get to watch my videos to the end, but if you always get to watch it to the end, then as so far so good, you should understand that the platform is basically a scam and just a joke, a big fat joke, basically. Just a way for them to get views, is to get people get traffic and watch ads and play off of anything, whereby they somehow earn from you, but they don't get back to the community. So it's kind of money easily for them, but you don't make money easily from the platform, even though it's called MoneyEasily. So that's the thing about the platform. Funny enough, I would say we've come to the end of this because we've been going for almost a week now, or since we placed our withdrawals, and 3 days after we got 3 ticks, and we still haven't been able to get the final tick, which obviously would mean that we'll obviously get certain withdrawal. So this has been a conclusive part for me to tell you that the MoneyEasily platform is not meant for you, or when I say the MoneyEasily term, it does not refer to the users of the platform. It's MoneyEasily for the owners of the platform. Alright, so that's basically it, and don't forget to subscribe, because obviously there is another huge package coming up, and this time it is not the MoneyEasily platform where you need a joke like this. This one is utterly legit, and you definitely have to learn about the platform before you just dive into it, so you don't get to lose money basically. So and I'll be bringing up that video in the next video, and for you not to miss out on that one, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, most importantly, so you do not miss out on that video when I post it. Alright, so that's basically for now. Bye for now, I'll catch up in the next one.